Hey guys, in this video I will show you how rewards work on Capital One Shopping. Alright, so let's begin. After opening the Capital One Shopping app, you'll see various personalized deals right on the home screen. You can simply select any deal from here and avail it instantly. If you want to browse deals from specific categories, tap on the search option at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll find multiple categories to choose from. Just select the category you're interested in purchasing from. For example, if you're looking to buy electronics, tap on the electronics category. Once selected, you'll see a list of different coupons available for that category. You can browse through these coupons and choose the one that works best for you. Suppose you want to use a GoPro coupon, just tap on it and you'll be shown the details of that specific offer. Activate the coupon and then click on shop. Wait for the page to load, and once activated, you can shop as you normally would. Any qualifying purchase you make using the activated coupon will earn you rewards. Simply tap on Let's Go, explore the products, and complete your purchase. This is how you can earn rewards on Capital One Shopping by using the available coupon codes. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.